On this video, we will be teaching you how to create a trending AI dancing baby video. Welcome to House of AI. Videos of AI content are just everywhere now. Both big and small companies are now leveraging on AI to speed up their production, like script writing, video production, mobile app creation, web design, graphic design, music production, and the most popular one, AI dancing babies, which we are going to talk about in this video today. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you will be notified when we post any new video. On this video, we will be teaching you how to create a trending AI dancing baby video. Step number 1, how to get your image sample. Getting your image sample will make it more easier for you to create the AI image without burning out your credits and writing long prompts, because it will help you to go straight to the point and get what you want. There are many places where you can get your image samples. You can get it from Google by searching for the images. You can get it from Facebook, you can get it from Instagram, you can get it in so many social media platforms. But in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can be able to get your sample images from Pinterest. So many people get their image sample by going to the AI video dance and screenshotting the character, then they screenshot and start recreating it in any AI platform. But I think that one, it's a long process and it limits us from getting the desired fashion style that we want. Sometimes you will find it difficult to screenshot the character when it's standing straight and the hand is showing straight. And we don't need another character in the background of the image you are going to use in doing what you are trying to achieve today. Having another person in the background of the image you want to use in creating our AI dancing baby will end up confusing the AI. The AI will not know they want to work on whether it's the first image or the second image. So it's advised that you get an image that only the character you want is in that particular image. So that is why in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can be able to get your sample image from a website called Pinterest. So to get your image from Pinterest, you have to open your browser and type pinterest.com. Then you press enter and allow it to load. So as we can see, it's loading up. So this Pinterest is a business platform. So many fashion designers and artists come here to showcase their work. So from here we can be able to get a sample of what we are looking for. So as it's displaying now, you can see there are so many styles, so many fashion styles. You can see so many baby models wearing clothes. So but now what we are looking for is baby fashion models. We press enter, so it will load up so that it will be direct. You can see this one, this is a baby model. You can see this one, you can see this one. So as you scroll down, you can see so many of them. There are so many of them here. There are so many of them. They're still loading up. There are so many of them. You can use this one, you can use this one, you can use this one. So there are so many of them. And getting this image from this site is not just that simple, because if you say save, it's not going to save on your device. It will just save in your catalog on that website, which we cannot be able to make use of it. So the best way of saving image from this site is by using a second party website that will help us to download the image on our device. And that is what we are going to do now. So the second party we are going to use is called Kling. So you open your browser, type Kling, KLICKPIN.com. So this is how the website looks like. This is where you enter the image URL you are going to copy from Pinterest, then download it here. So we'll go back to Pinterest. This is Pinterest. Look for a good image, let's say this one. So scroll down. This place you have this icon here. You click on it. It will bring out the share pop-up, whether you want to share on WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, X. So but we don't want to share to any of these platforms. We just want to copy this URL. You click on copy link. Then we'll go back to this, click pin, go to this place. It said enter Pinterest URL. So you right click on it and best. Sometimes this site can misbehave, so you just have to reload it. Then you paste the link and click on download. So it takes a few minutes, and look at the image here. It has brought in the image on this website. So what we want this image to be on our device. So we have to scroll down. You see where they say download link, though this is not what I always see. So once you click download link, it will just open the image. Then you can right click on the image and save image as. So you can see the type is JPEG, which is what we want. So just hit save. So the image has been saved on our device. So this is how we're able to get our sample image from Pinterest. So if you now go to your image folder, you can see that this image is on our download folder. So from here we can now start making use of it and start recreating it. And this is the first step we have to take on creating our AI dancing baby video. So move to the step 2. On this step 2, we will be teaching you how to recreate the sample image we just downloaded from Pinterest. The image we downloaded from Pinterest, most of them are human babies. So you can actually make use of it and it will work for you. But I always advise for you to recreate that image in an AI format. So with that, you can be able to say, okay, let's say this baby now, we can be able to say this baby's jacket, we want it to be black, we want it to be green, we want it to be red, we want to change the color of the hat to blue. So to do all those things, you have to recreate the image with an AI. So AI will now help you to change any feature you want to change on this baby picture. And to achieve that, we need to make use of another AI platform, which is ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So these two platforms are very good in creating AI images for free. So we are going to work with both of them. So how to create AI baby image using ChatGPT. So you go to your browser and type chatgpt.com. So when it opens up, you're going to see this particular platform. So this is a new chat. You see ask anything, you see this plus icon. So we have to start by uploading a sample image we downloaded from Pinterest, so that we can now be able to tell ChatGPT to recreate the image in an AI form and change anything we want to change on that image. So as you can see, there are some other ones that I've created already. So this is another image. You can see the boy is bending, squatting. So we'll have to write a prompt that will help us to make the baby to stand. So you can see, look at this one now. This is the image I downloaded from Pinterest. This is how it looks like. So this is the prompt I typed. Recreate this image, make the boy to stand straight and change the frame of his eyeglass to pink. So you can see the boy is squatting, the eyeglass frame is white. So this is what ChatGPT recreated. So you can see the boy is now standing straight. Okay, let's just do one. Click on this plus icon, add photo and file, tap on it. This is our image folder. This image, we downloaded this image. Open. So the image we downloaded from Pinterest is now here. So we have to now write a prompt. You can write create this image in a realistic pixel style. Some of us who don't know what is pixel style. Pixel style is a kind of AI image texture. Well, after we create it, you see how it looks like. It makes the body a little bit cartoonish, the eyes and everything, but it looks more of like a real picture, but well amplified. So in a realistic pixel style, make the boy to stand straight with his hands showing well, change the color of his jacket to low. So let's work with this small prompt now. So after typing it, I just copy it because I'm also going to use this prompt to show you how you can generate this image in Google Gemini. So let's hit on generate. So wait for it a little bit. It has uploaded the one we gave him, so it's now working on the new one. So as you can see, creating image. So just give it more time to finish up. Sometimes it can be fast, sometimes it can be slow, depending on people on their platform at that moment. Image created. So saying the image has been created. Okay, now you can see how pizza style looks like. This is our main character here. This is our main picture here. This is the pizza style, how it looks like. The eyes a little bit bulgy. You can see the skin tone. So you can see the hands are now straight. He's standing straight. His shoes are sewing well. So you can see the jacket has been changed to blue. Look at the jacket we have, it's red. Look at the shoe. Then they has changed the jacket to blue. So we have been able to recreate this image in a pizza style, changing the jacket to blue. So what we'll have to do now is to click on this download icon, download, and the image will be downloaded to our device. So let's move on to the next platform, which is Google Gemini. Google Gemini, you say upload file. So the same file open. So it has opened. So still best that's in prompts that we used on ChatGPT. So we're pasting it now on Google Gemini and hit submit. So it's now working. So wait for it for a little bit so that it will generate our image. So it's still loading up. So it has finished generating the image. You can see. Look at how this one looks like. This is still pizza style, but you can see the difference. The other one has a big pudgy eye. This one, the eye is a little bit small. So, but the jacket has been changed to blue. So I don't know anyone you prefer. If you prefer using ChatGPT, you can use it. If you prefer using Google Gemini, you can make use of it. So it's all your choice now. So we have learned how to get our sample image from Pinterest, how to download it, and we have also learned how to create AI baby image using ChatGPT, using Google Gemini. There is a third one that is also good, which is Meta AI. So you can try that one out and tell me in the comment section how it looks like. So with that, we move to the third step, how to search and download trending dance videos from YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. So you can download trending dance videos from any of these platforms, but I prefer using TikTok because that's where you see most of the dancing trending videos. To make our character to dance, we need to get a video that a particular person is dancing. So we transfer that dancing style to our character. So we transfer the dancing style to our character. This is how it works. So first, let's go and download the dance video. So to download the dance video, we need to go to our browser, type tiktok.com. So we select the first one, TikTok. So it will load up. So you go to the search bar, you can see viral dance video. You tap on it. And we'll allow it to load a little bit. So it's loading up now. You need to look for a particular one that has only one dancer on the video. Like this one now, there are two dancing. We can't make use of it to confuse the AI whether to copy this one on the left or to copy the one on the right. So, but we are going to use the one that is just one person that is dancing on the background. In the background. So this one is fine. This one is also fine. This one is also fine. There are so many of them. This one is also fine. This one is also good. So there are so many of them. So as you can see some AI dancing babies. You can see this one is the AI dancing baby. This one is the AI dancing baby. So you can see there are so many of them here. So now to download this image, we need to just click on the particular dance video that we want to download. Let's say this one. So once you click on it, right click on the video, copy the link. So the same way we are able to download our sample image from Pinterest using a second website. So we also have to go in to do that on this one. So we use another website to download this TikTok video. So, and the website we are going to use is Snaptic. It does the job well. So this is how Snaptic looks like. So we come here and paste the link that we copied from TikTok. Click on download. So it will load a little bit. So this is the video here on their platform. So we have to click on download video. So allow it a little bit so the video is going straight and is now downloading to our device. Please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you'll be notified when we post a new video. So let's move on to the next step, which is how we can be able to combine the image we created from ChatGPT with the video we downloaded from TikTok, so that the image we created from ChatGPT will start dancing like the video that we downloaded from TikTok. And to achieve that, we will be making use of Kling AI. On this step, we are going to teach you how you can be able to create your own AI dancing baby using the AI image you created from ChatGPT and the dancing video you downloaded from TikTok. So we'll be making use of Kling AI. I think they are one of the best in producing these AI dancing videos. So let's move on to Kling AI. So you open your browser, search for Kling AI. So there's so many platforms here. So what we're looking for is this one, Kling AI. You click on it, allow it to load up. So this is Kling AI. So we'll move down to the video generation. So on the video generation, the particular feature we want to make use of is motion control. So we'll click on motion control. So you can see there are two boxes here. This is for the image you created with ChatGPT. Then this is for the video you downloaded from TikTok. And a short one, the longer the video, because on these AI platforms, they make use of credits. So, but as a first user on Kling, I think they will give you 160 credits. So the more longer the video you upload, the more credits it consumes. A 10 seconds video will consume 50 to 60 credits from Kling AI. Let's go back to creating the video. So you go to this place, add video of character, tap on it, go to your video folder, then you can check for any video we want to make use of. So let's make use of this one, open. So we can also add the image character. Let's say this one. So when we now hit create, so as you can see, it has finished creating the AI baby dance. You can play it to see how it looks like. So the next thing we'll have to do is to download the AI baby dance. So we'll go to this place, click on download, and the video will be downloaded to our device. And this is how you can be able to create your AI dancing baby. Please hit the subscribe button and click on the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified on our new videos. See you on the next video.